So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be going over why Bitcoin is down by such a huge percent, and we'll be looking at the charts and we'll be looking at what we predicted versus what has actually happened. So we'll be taking a look on this video over a specific chart we drew in a previous video on this channel. So if you haven't checked that out, do check that out before this video. So we drew a specific chart in that video explaining what the prediction of our Bitcoin could be, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at of how much of that prediction was true. So before we get started, please do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen and I'm on coinmarket.com. So if we just look at a basic overview of what we are seeing right now, we can see our feed and greed is at a 49. So it has come a very low number. We haven't seen such a low number in the past around 6 months. So this is a fairly low number on the feed and greed. And if we look at Bitcoin's current trading price, it's currently trading at around $39,763, up about 0.88% in the past hour, up about 0.57 in the past 24 hours, and down about 7.88% in the past 7 days. So let's click on this and let's just take a look at the graph right here. So if we just look at the left panel right here, we can see $39,830 current value, up about 0.8% in the past 24 hours. Market cap at around 780 million, so it has come down by a lot. Just a couple of days ago it was at around $840 billion market cap, but it has come down a lot. And if we look at the 24-hour volume, we can see it's at around $29.2 billion, down about 6.55% from yesterday. So if we just take a look at this chart, we can see that we did go in the red just this today. So we were trading it even in the $38,000 range for quite a bit of time, and then we have made our way back up a little bit in just the past couple hours, but we did go really low. So if we just take a look at this graph right here, we can see 24 hours ago we were trading at around 39,047 K. So we can see right here it was in the green for the first couple hours of today, and we can see that around 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. is where we went in the opposite direction. So we started going from the green to into the red. So if we look at our daily high, it was around $40,125 at around 11:25 p.m. yesterday. So if we look at our daily low, that was around $38,550 at around 9:30 a.m. today. So that is around $1,500 down in just a matter of couple hours. So we did hit under the $39,000 range in the mid 38,000. So that was a pretty low number for Bitcoin to hit, and since then we have come back up into the $39,000 range, high 39,000, and we are making our way back up to go in the upwards direction. But if we take a look at this chart right here, which we drew in a previous video, this is very visible that we planned this chart out very carefully. So we can see right here that if we look at this chart, we drew around 3 levels of support right here. So in the previous video we mentioned that we have had a breakout from here and we are headed to in this level of support. So we can see we drew this line of support and we drew this right here. So we did predict that it had a breakout and it was to the bottom side. Now we see that we drew this line to the upwards direction because the current situation in that time frame was in the upwards direction, but as we can see we did have a breakout in the downwards trend. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, maybe we can see better. Yeah, there we go. So this was a line we drew that we saw a breakout to the downward side first, and then we saw the breakout to the upside. So this is where the breakout reversed and we eventually went on to the breakout that we first had, and not this other false breakout to the upside. And we did end up going into the downside, breaking a lot of levels of support. So we are currently, let me switch back to our 4-hour time frame. We can see we are back to our lower level support. So this is even lower levels. So let me just draw a rectangle real quick. So these are the levels of support that we are currently supposed to see, and we have gone near this level of support. So the next would be around the $39,400 range. So this will be our target. I predict that this price of Bitcoin will hit this price range in the upcoming hours and possibly in the upcoming days. So we have broken big amounts of support levels on our chart. So we are making our way even lower. So I would consider this pretty normal, because this is a very normal move in a regular bull run. So we have to have some retracements to continue on our bull run. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about how Bitcoin is having a breakout to the downward side, and we are down by a lot. So we predicted this in a previous video, and that did turn out to be true. So that was it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, please do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel. And the daily live streams, I talk about any recent crypto price changes, any recent price movement, or any recent crypto news that has come out. So do make sure to tune in daily on those live streams. And I also create long form content like this, so videos like this, to keep you informed about any recent crypto news. So do make sure to check those out also. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.